Hi everyone, today is DIY day and I'm going to show you how to make a cushion cover with a zipper. This is the fabric that we're going to be using. I got this from my local fabric store. I don't remember what it's called, but it's very soft and fluffy. Perfect for your living room or wherever you'd like to have this type of fluff. I'm going to fold the fabric in half based on the size of the cushion that I want to make. I'm gonna make a 18 by 18 cushion, and I'm gonna measure out 19 each way to make room for the 1/2 inch seams that we're gonna need on all sides of the cushion. So perfectly 19 this way, and then 19 this way would be here. I'm just putting a pin to mark the line so I know exactly where it is. There, 19. Okay, now we have the fabric cut out. 19 by 19. I use these little pins to hold everything in place. And now we're gonna cut this in half. Now we have our 2 pieces of 19 by 19. See? Once you cut it, it's very messy, but you can easily clean it up. Okay, now we're going to prepare for the insertion of the zipper. This zipper is a little bit too long, so I don't want to use it at this length. We need to mark 2 inches from the end here, 2 inches down. So we want the zipper to start here, and 2 inches from this side where we want it to end here. All right, based on those measurements, we're going to cut our zipper. We're not gonna make it exact, we're gonna make it a little bit over. So we'll cut off about that much. All right. There we go. Now we're going to put these 2 together. And we're going to make the pins where we want to stop our 2 inches. Now we have the side sewn down to our 2 inches. So when you open it, it seems connected like this. You're gonna put it facing down, just like this. And then you're gonna put your zipper facing down. That way, when it's turned over, the zipper is on the other side. Now we're going to use the pins to pin it down This way it doesn't move when we're sewing. This is the piece that's gonna make the zipper invisible on the other side, this extra piece here. And you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm gonna change my presser foot to a zipper foot. This is so that the zipper can be sewn on. Yeah. You press a foot up when you get to the zipper and try to pull the zipper up, pull the needle up and pull the zipper back so it's not in the way. Put the presser foot down, drop the needle and begin continue sewing. Stitch to seal it. Now we're turning to go on to the other side of the fabric. We want to make these as close as possible. Drop your foot. Lift your foot, turn it again, drop your foot, okay, I'm gonna pull up your foot, pull your zipper up, close it so that you can keep sewing. Drop your foot, drop your needle. End and then back stitch back to the end, and then turn and sew right across the zipper if it will allow. Okay, the hardest part is done. That zipper. Okay, here it is. I didn't use white so that you guys would be able to see how it's put in. And here you can see it on this side. If you use a white one, you won't be able to see any of this at all. But this is how it looks. And you zip it down. Fully functioning zipper. Oh, stuck there. Now for the easy part, you want to open it a little bit, because otherwise you close it up, you can't. It's gonna be hard to get in there. All right, now we're gonna do all the 3 other corners to close it up. All right, now I've gone back to my regular sewing presser foot, and I removed the zipper foot. About going down about a 1/2 inch from the side. Lift your foot, turn your fabric, drop your foot, and keep going down. This is how it looks. The zipper is already open, so you just need to open it all the way down, turn it over, push out the corners. Is it. Pause it. All right, this is a cushion insert that I got from IKEA for like $3. I'm just gonna take it, push it in. Corners. Zip it up. And there you have it. Nice and fluffy. Please remember, I'm not a professional. I just watched a couple tutorials and I'm able to, you know, do my thing. But this is how it looks. And of course you can use a white zipper, but you can't even see it because we did the invisible thing. So yeah, I think I like it. Yay.